Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Chrome updates that allow you to add incognito tab in homepage on your Chrome browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, first things for, make sure you update your Chrome browser. And for you to update your Chrome browser, what you need to do is to simply come to the top right here and make sure you click on these three dots right here, and then come down below right here. Make sure you navigate to settings. Then secure right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and make sure you come to about Chrome. Click on that. Then in a few seconds, it's going to update. As you can see right here, I've been update my Chrome version to 135 version. So after you have successfully update your Chrome version, next thing you need to do is to see how we can simply add our incognito tab into the home screen here, right here, somewhere here on our Chrome browser for easy access. And for us to do that, what we want to do is to make sure we come to the top right there, create a new tab, then have it create a new tab. Then next thing you want to do is to come down below right here, click on customize Chrome, and this is going to pop up. Simply scroll down right here. Then what you need to do is to simply go to new toolbar. So click on that and take you right here. Then next thing you need to do is to simply turn on this particular button, and with that, you have your Chrome incognito tab in the home page, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Chrome browser. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.